no kitchen is complete without cooking oil. Walk into anybody's home, in anybody's kitchen cupboards, and you're gonna find one, usually multiple bottles of different types of cooking oil. Olive oil, corn oil, avocado oil. All these oils can have their place in the kitchen, and many come with amazing health benefits for lowering cardiovascular disease risk and providing healthy fats and healthy fat-soluble vitamins like vitamins A, D, E, and K. But used improperly, oils can actually increase your heart disease risk. Oils can release inflammatory free radicals into your system that wreak havoc on your health. You want to avoid that. The key to knowing how to use oils properly to get their health benefits is to knowing what their smoke point is and to make sure you're storing those oils as best you can to reduce the risk that they're going to go rancid. The smoke point is that temperature when you're cooking with an oil at which it starts to smoke. When that happens, you're releasing and creating a toxic blend of hydrogenated oils and free radicals that you're then eating. Different oils have different smoke points. Olive oil is a relatively low smoke point, and yet a lot of people are cooking with it using way too high heat. I'm gonna post a link to a blog below, how to choose cooking oil. And in that, it lists the smoke points for many common cooking oils and also butter, so that you can look and make sure that you're using the oil properly. There are also information on the flavor profiles of different oils and how to use them best for bringing out not just the health benefits, but the flavor in the different dishes that you cook. So click on that below. Understand the smoke point is very important, and how to store it also. Make sure that it's in dark glass bottles, because if it's in plastic bottles, the plastic from the bottles can leach into the oils. And the dark colored glass of the bottles reduces the risk for the light, the UV light hitting the oil and also causing it to go rancid so it stays fresh longer. Click on that blog below. When you're over at the MBI website, make sure to sign up for the MBI newsletter to get more health tips and information directly into your inbox. And check out the podcast, Delivering Health Podcast. If you love it, make sure to give it a 5-star review and share that with friends so we can continue to spread our messages of health. Have a nice day.